Fruit custard is a summer dessert that everyone at home, from adults to kids, really loves. So today, let's give that dessert a little twist and make Seviyan and mango custard. To make mango Seviyan custard, first take a little ghee in a pan, and now I'll add this to the ghee. Take about 1/4 cup of Seviyan, and these are the raw ones. We need to roast them. As the Seviyan gets roasted in the ghee, you'll notice its color changing a bit. Right at this time, we add 1 liter of milk to it. And we need to cook it in the milk until the Seviyan is cooked, and the milk will also reduce a little. These Seviyan tend to stick to the bottom, so we need to cook them while stirring continuously, over low to medium heat. And for flavor, this is the time when I add powder from 3 to 4 cardamom pods. You can skip it if you want. Seviyan don't take much time to cook. It will only take 5 to 7 minutes. See? The milk has come to a boil and the Seviyan are almost cooked. This is the time when I'm adding it. For sweetness, if you want to avoid condensed milk, you can also use sugar, or if you want to avoid sugar completely. So at this time, you can turn off the heat and add jaggery powder as well. You can also use dates soaked in water, but add both of these things after turning off the heat. And I have taken 4 tablespoons of this condensed milk. You can definitely use less or more according to your taste. Everything has mixed well, so now it's time to add the custard powder. Here, I have taken about 1½ tablespoons of custard powder, the vanilla one. We will dilute this in milk. Now, to dilute the custard powder, I am adding this room temperature milk. Never add hot milk to custard powder. Otherwise, it will cook immediately and become very lumpy. And now, we will mix this custard powder. After adding the custard powder to the hot milk, we need to cook this mixture while continuously stirring it until it comes to a boil once or twice, and keep the heat on medium. See, the mixture has come to a boil, the vermicelli is cooked, and the custard is also cooked and has thickened. So now it's time to turn off the heat. Let's transfer the custard into a mixing bowl and then put it in the fridge to chill. Now this custard mixture has cooled down, meaning it has come to room temperature. This is the time when we'll add it. I've made pulp from 1 mango. Whenever you add mango pulp to the mixture, just make sure that the custard mixture is completely cool or at room temperature. If you add it while it's hot, it will curdle. And now, we'll add it along with the mango pulp. Mango pieces as well, and here I've taken 2 mangoes. If you want to add other fruits along with mango, you can definitely do that too. And now, this is totally optional, but for some crunch, I'm taking some pistachios. Let's mix everything together now. So, our delicious mango vermicelli custard is ready, but we won't serve it just yet. We'll keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Let it get completely chilled, and then we'll serve it, because it tastes best when it's really cold. So now, let's serve the mango vermicelli custard. Now we'll put some more chopped mangoes and pistachios on top of this custard. So here it is. Delicious and chilled mango vermicelli custard is ready. I will go, but I have arrived. Superb.